So, my name is Anthony, and for 5 years I've been dealing with broken and missing teeth. Here's what my smile looks like. And you can see that right in the middle. Just the worst. Looks like someone hit me in the face. So, I ordered my pop-on veneers and was definitely skeptical. I was like, oh, just wasted a few dollars. Oh, gonna be a nightmare. It's not gonna fit, not gonna work, all sorts of problems. Company's 2,000 miles away, ain't gonna work. But after they came and I stuck them in, they fit perfect. No adjusting, no nothing. It was just amazing, and they weren't flimsy. They're pretty solid, you know. They were pretty good. I was expecting some cheap plastic things that melted, you know. These things were great. I couldn't believe it. Almost in tears. Just it was incredible. It was like 7 o'clock at night. And I was like, wow, I'm going to the gym tomorrow and smiling. No more hiding my face, no more grins. So let me stick them in there and pop them, pop on veneers. Wow, you really do just pop them on. Okay, that's what the bottoms are. And look at that. Look at that. I mean, it's just, it's like my teeth from when I was a kid. It's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Completely satisfied. Just, I don't know what else to say. It just really is, I wouldn't call it a miracle, but it was, pretty awesome. Pretty awesome experience. And I'm so glad I did. And I should have did it a couple of years ago when I thought about it. And look at that. I mean, it really is, I don't eat with them yet because I'm not comfortable with that. I haven't, I take them out when I come home to eat or when I'm eating or whatever for some reason. But yeah, they just look at that. I mean, you really have no problem talking or anything. It really is. It's it's great to go out and smile and not have to hide it. Oh, unbelievable. All right. Well, thank you very much, and thanks for everybody at the team at Pop on Veneers. Yeah, Pop on Veneers, good stuff. Thank you.